Unit 10. Sound 1. Letters UR with Keywords 關鍵詞字母 letter 聲音 sound 元音 vowel 音節 syllable 英文拼音 English phonics This is a nurse, nurse, and she has a turtle, turtle. The turtle is a purse, purse. And here is our chant. The nurse has a turtle purse, The nurse has a turtle purse, The nurse has a turtle purse, is the sound of UR. The letters UR can make the sound Here are some words that have UR that makes the sound Burst, burst, burst. This balloon bursts. Surf, surf. This man is surfing. Turkey, turkey. This bird is a turkey. Burp, burp. There is a burp coming out from this tummy. Purple, purple. This is the color purple. Turnip, turnip. This vegetable is a turnip. Blending sounds. CH makes the sound ch. UR makes the sound Let's blend these sounds together. Ch, chur. Chur is not a word in English, but you can find it in the bigger word church. Church. And this building is a church. TH makes the sound UR makes the sound Let's blend these sounds together. Thur. Thur is not a word in English, but you can find thur in the bigger word Thursday. Thursday. The day of the week, Thursday. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and watch more videos on this channel. Bye bye!